Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're putting the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro cameras to the test. We'll check out video quality, ultra-wide shots, low-light performance, and both daylight and night photos. Let's see which one really stands out. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 Pro comes with three 48-megapixel cameras on the back, while the iPhone 16 Pro has a 48-megapixel main and ultra-wide camera and a 12-megapixel telephoto. You can see the details of the 17 Pro look much better, with colors that are sharper and more vibrant. Here's the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. As you can see, the iPhone 17 Pro captures a wider dynamic range and more consistent detail across the frame. The iPhone 16 Pro still looks great, but it's not as crisp in the corners. Moving on to low-light video. The iPhone 17 Pro really shines. It controls noise better and keeps the scene brighter and clearer, while the iPhone 16 Pro tends to lose some detail and adds more grain. Finally, let's take a look at some daylight and low-light photos. Both are strong performers, but the iPhone 17 Pro delivers slightly more realistic colors and sharper textures, especially when zooming in. low light photography, the iPhone 17 Pro again takes the lead. You get cleaner images, better contrast, and more accurate tones compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. So that's our camera comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro. The 16 Pro still holds up really well, but the 17 Pro clearly pushes ahead with better detail, colors, and low light performance. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.